By the end of the video, we'll know about the reasons why you might be experiencing the skinny fat condition and what you can do to address it. Understanding the causes of skinny fat is the first step towards transforming your body into a healthier, more muscular physique. What does skinny fat mean? The term skinny fat refers to a body type that appears thin, but has a higher body fat percentage and low muscle mass. This condition can lead to a soft or flabby appearance, despite having a low overall body weight. Causes of skinny fat. Number 1. Lack of strength training. One of the primary reasons for the skinny fat condition is the absence of regular strength training. Without resistance exercises, your body lacks the stimulus needed to build and maintain muscle mass. 2. Poor nutrition. Low protein intake. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth. A diet low in protein can hinder muscle development. Imbalanced diet. Consuming too many processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats, while lacking essential nutrients, can lead to increased fat storage and muscle loss. Number 3. Insufficient caloric intake. Eating too few calories can result in muscle loss over time. When your body doesn't get enough energy from food, it starts breaking down muscle tissue for fuel, leading to a higher body fat percentage. 4. Excessive cardio. While cardiovascular exercise is important for overall health, doing too much cardio without incorporating strength training can contribute to muscle loss, leaving you with a higher fat to muscle ratio. 5. Sedentary lifestyle. A sedentary lifestyle with little physical activity can lead to muscle atrophy and fat accumulation. Lack of movement reduces calorie expenditure and muscle maintenance, contributing to the skinny fat condition. Number 6. Genetic factors. Genetics play a role in determining body composition. Some individuals are predisposed to store fat more easily and may struggle with muscle gain due to their genetic makeup. 7. Hormonal imbalances. Hormonal imbalances, such as low testosterone levels in men or thyroid issues, can affect metabolism, fat storage, and muscle growth, contributing to the skinny fat condition. Addressing the skinny fat condition. High protein diet. Ensure adequate protein intake to support muscle growth and repair. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue our video's main topic. By understanding these causes and taking actionable steps to address them, you can transform your body composition and achieve a healthier, more muscular physique. By the end of the video, we'll know about the key factors contributing to the skinny fat condition and how to overcome them. Stay tuned for more insights and practical tips on your fitness journey.